A close-up look at the production site of RIUGOR gears. On the Qin gear grinding machine, the workpiece is firmly secured on the fixture. As the spindle of the machine moves precisely, the grinding wheel makes contact with the gear tooth surface at a micron-level precision. The flying sparks vividly reflect the precision of the cutting process. The entire machining process is smooth and stable, demonstrating the excellent rigidity and stability of the equipment. This represents the technical accumulation of Qin machine tools in the field of precision equipment, as well as RIUGOR gear's strict control over every processing step. The gear grinding procedure determines the noise, lifespan, and transmission smoothness of the gears. Through this brief scene, we can feel modern manufacturing's pursuit of accuracy and reliability. It silently illustrates that RIUGOR products stem from the integration of precise craftsmanship and efficient equipment.